Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Charge the Jwear to at least 50%, enable Bluetooth and location on your Android, and open the Jwear app. Put the watch into pairing mode now. This tells it to broadcast so the phone can find it. Once done, tap Scan in the app and watch the detected device list populate. You do this because Android requires location permission for Bluetooth scanning. Granting it makes the discovery reliable and faster. After the phone detects the watch, select its name and confirm the pairing code or fingerprint prompt. This secures the link. Next, allow the Jwear app access to notifications, contacts, and activity data. These permissions let the watch mirror calls and record steps correctly. Also, opt out of aggressive battery optimization for the app so background syncs don't stop. Make sure to tap any enable prompts. Otherwise, notifications and real-time finish by running the first sync. Set your watch face, time zone, and measurement units inside the app so readings match your phone. Test an incoming call and a sample notification to confirm mirroring, then check heart rate or step data updates. If something fails, reboot both devices first. Make sure Bluetooth visibility is on and repair if needed. If problems persist, clear the Jwear app cache, reinstall it, and repeat pairing. This resolves most stubborn sync and permission mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.